I'm Lily Ash Sakula and I'm from Social Innovation Camp. Social Innovation Camp is an innovation programme which aims to get people that understand technology in the same room as people who understand social problems and see what happens over sort of a several month-long period. About 5-6 years ago, we were asked by the government to come and talk to them about how technology could interact with kind of social issues and what could happen if we brought the two together. And so we went to Westminster and had a chat with them, and at the end of the chat they were like, okay, we're going to write a white paper about this. And we thought, oh, well, that's going to be a bit of a waste of time, so why don't we just try it out and see what happens. So we did the first Social Innovation Camp in London. We got together a group of sort of geeks and designers and programmers, but also people who were on the sort of sharp end of those social problems, so teachers and doctors and students and sort of a whole range of people who experience the social problems themselves. And we had some really kind of great results come out of that weekend in just 48 hours, so we decided to keep doing it. Now we've run about 5 around the UK and almost 30 around the rest of the world. We never know quite what's going to happen at the beginning of a social innovation camp, and it's always a bit of a jump into chaos for us. But I guess the ultimate goal is for people to talk to each other across these kind of boundaries that normally exist in our day-to-day lives, and for us to build a community, and then for people to try things out and to experiment and to have a safe space in which to do that. And sometimes there will be new social ventures that will come out of the other end of that. Sometimes there'll just be some really good conversations or some really great code. Who knows, it kind of depends on the weekend. But the main thing we think is to really kind of build a community that does this and that helps each other and that is excited by it. And we think that that's the best way to kind of create a culture of ongoing social change and technology.